you're experiencing login failures in League of Legends, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your chances of a successful login. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. Pay attention to case sensitivity and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Restart your client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary issues that may be causing login failures. Step 4. Disable VPN and proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it and try logging in again. These services can sometimes interfere with your connection to the game servers. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and get back to playing League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.